Francola, it's Chappie from 100.3 The Buzz. It's been a spectacular Saturday here, once again with the Greensboro Grasshoppers. And you know what? It's firework night, Chappie, brought to you by Wranglers. Fireworks make us so happy, we wrote a song. No, seriously. Fireworks makes me happy when they go boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fireworks make us all happy when they go boom. Boom, boom, boom. You see, you love it when it goes boom. Who's ready for the fireworks? Chappie's ready.
Happy.
Happy. You ready? Here we go. Count it down, Chappie.